Hey guys, Sam with Custom Cabinet, and here I have a router template. Just some quick safety. If you got the piece on, you're going, you get to the edge, it usually tends to kick and pull in because of the end grain. And if that happens, your finger goes in, it can do some pretty good damage. So a safety thing I like to do, well, of course, number one, safety glasses, that's most important. But what I would do is, this is the template, right? I would lay this guy down, flip this over, because this is the part that I need. I'll set it like that. Now that you have this on, set her here, pin nail it, get it where you want it. Safe. You're holding it like this, you're holding this part as you're going, right? So if it does shoot back, your hands are away, or up here. It does happen, right? Look at your hand. You're not getting damaged, hurt at all. Basically safe.